So children, today we are going to start the practical of potato osmometer. Okay, this is your minor experiment. The first thing you have to remember is this is your minor experiment, right? Potato osmometer. So what we have to do, open the page of the potato osmometer. So what we have to do is a very simple experiment. Here in this glass trough, everybody see the glass trough, right? Everybody seeing the glass trough? In the glass trough, we have taken plain water, right? We have taken plain water. Now we will take a potato of a big size, right? We will cut it. We will cut the potato a slice like this to make the base of the potato because potato is irregular in shape. Okay, so when I will place this in water, it should be sturdy. It should be stable. Right, children? That is why we have cut the base. Another thing which we have to do is we have to make a cavity inside the potato. How can we make a cavity? Nothing very scientific about it. Only a cavity is like we have to scoop the portion of the potato in a rectangular manner. Right. I have put the cut. Now see a cavity is made. I will deepen the cavity so that we can put concentrated solution in the cavity. Okay. So again I will scoop a little. I should have brought a scooper instead. See, I am scooping this out. It should be neat enough so that the water level can be known. Yes, now see, I have managed to have a deep cavity. A rectangular, see children, now I have a rectangular deep cavity. Everybody can see it now? Everybody please see that I am having a rectangular deep cavity and I have cut the base of the potato also, right? Now, now in this cavity, what is done actually, let me see, it does not get submerged. See the water level is okay. I will put the potato here like this. Just see, this is the potato. It is not submerged. It is not submerged. It is in a good level. And I will remove a little amount of water. I will remove a little amount of water so that it is submerged more nicely. Okay, now children, see the experiment. See the experimental setup. It is quite simple. A glass trough. A glass. This is a glass trough, right? And in the glass trough, I have put plain water. I have put plain water, right? And now I have already created the base for the potato so that it can rest nicely. Then I have scooped a rectangular cavity. See, I have scooped a rectangular cavity, right? Now what will I do? This is the experiment to show osmosis. And which type of osmosis? It is end osmosis. Why end osmosis? Outside the potato, it is plain water, right? So it is a hypotonic solution. Plain water is hypotonic solution, right? Plain water is hypotonic solution. Why? Because the concentration of water molecule is low. The wall of the potato will be serving as a semi-permeable membrane, right? Now, I will prepare a concentrated salt solution, a very concentrated salt solution. This is plain water. This is salt. I will put some amount of salt here. The amount required, remember the amount required should be such that the solution is concentrated. See, I am taking this scoop in a very little amount of water because the cavity is very small. Because the cavity is very small, right? Now, I will dissolve the solution. I will dissolve the solution. You know, salt dissolves very nicely in water. The solution will become transparent, right? The solution will become transparent. See, I've got a concentrated salt solution. See, this is a salt solution, concentrated salt solution. Now, I will again take out the potato and I will pour this concentrated salt solution in the cavity. I will not fill the cavity because this is only the experiment which we are going to see that when we put an oil pin, see this is an oil pin, I put the oil pin here to mark the level of water. I put the oil pin here to mark the level of water. Okay, now I have put this whole setup in the trough. The trough is having hypotonic solution, right? The trough is having hypotonic solution. So what will happen, children? This is the setup. This is the experimental setup which has to be kept for few hours. And after few hours, we will see that the pin where I have made the mark, that level, the water will exceed that level. The water will exceed that level. What is the reason, madam? Why will the water exceed that level? Because end osmosis has taken place. The water from outside the potato that will go inside and it will increase the level of the water because you know that osmosis is what is osmosis? Osmosis is a procedure in which the water molecules move from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. So this is the experimental setup. This is how the experiment is done. This is in your minor experiment. So only one minor experiment is there. So obviously it will come in your exam. One major which we had already done in our last class, the dissection of the flower. Okay, the dissection of the flower. And now that was the major that will also come in exam. And this will also come in exam because only one minor experiment is there in your term 1 course. Right? So if you have any problems, you can always ask me, children. And this is the way how you have to do the experiment of potato phosphometer.